Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now we've talked a lot about all of the different benefits of fiberglass pools, a couple of which is how low maintenance they are and how much lower the cost of ownership is for a fiberglass pool. And while fiberglass pools do have a significantly lower cost of ownership than any other type of pool, today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about a few things that you can do to lower your monthly maintenance costs on a fiberglass pool even more. So let's dive in. Okay, so if there's one thing nearly everyone wants to know when looking at getting a pool, it's how much is this going to cost me? Not just up front to get the pool installed, but on a monthly basis and over the lifetime that I have the pool. And with many of the pool types, you're looking at several $100s every single month to maintain and run the pool. But with a fiberglass pool, your maintenance is considerably less and your overall cost of ownership, how much it costs you to run your pool, is also quite a bit less. But there are still things that you can do to lower it even more. So one of the things you'd want to look at with your fiberglass pool is that you've got a 2-speed or a variable speed pump. You don't want to be running a single speed pump. And while single speed pumps are pretty much dinosaurs in this industry, you would definitely want to make sure that you're getting a 2-speed or a variable speed pump. And with that, you want to create a schedule, a pool pump schedule, if you will, for when you're going to run your pump on low speed and when you're going to run it on high speed. Because it definitely doesn't make sense to run it on high speed more than is needed. And on that high speed, it is going to cost more to operate. And actually, if you set the high speed to run later hours of the day and at night, you can save on the amount you're going to be charged for the electricity. Most utility companies charge based off how much energy you're using and when you use it. So if you avoid using the high speed during peak time, which is typically morning and late afternoon, you can avoid paying the higher price to run your pump on high. And also if you run the pump at high speed during the night, then you're not only avoiding those high energy costs, but you're also waking up to a pool that's got well circulated water in it every single morning. And it also makes a lot of sense to have your pump on a timer, because who can remember to go turn the pump on and off to make sure that you're maintaining that pump schedule that you've set up. So if you have your pump on a timer, you can literally set it and forget it. You can set the right hours of the day for the low speed to be on and the right hours of the day for the high speed to kick on, making it even that much more efficient. And another thing you can do is make sure you're cleaning your filter regularly. So at least once a month, you want to clean your cartridge filter. The filter is purifying hundreds of gallons of water every day. So you can understand how they can get pretty dirty. And when the filter is dirty, it increases the pool system's pressure, and so it doesn't work as effectively, and it can actually make it harder for the pump to move the water through like it needs to. So with the pump working harder, it will increase the amount it's costing to run the system. So by keeping your filter clean and having your pump set on a timer to run efficiently, you can lower the cost of maintaining your pool every month even more than it already is. Now again, fiberglass pools are significantly lower cost to operate than any other pool out there. Just one of the reasons why we love fiberglass pools so much. If you have any questions at all, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. Look forward to seeing you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. Oh, and while you guys are here, I'd love to see your comments. And if you found this information valuable, like it, share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon.